Alrighty guys, if you're wondering how to use my hair grease mix, just keep watching. Alrighty, so I have a protective style, so I'm just going to simply grab my hair grease. Yes, my OG liquid gold, whatever you want to call it. This is my hair grease, guys, that I have mixed together. Yes. And as you can see, I've been using it quite a bit. I love it. So this is my protective style. I'm just gonna take my bun down, and if you can look closely, yeah, them parts are looking dry and dusty. So you're just gonna grab the hair grease mix. If you have not purchased my hair grease mix, it is available at my Etsy shop. But I'm just gonna grab a small amount on my fingertip there and just apply it to my scalp, guys. Again, I'm going to part it where you see the lines on my scalp. I'm just going to place the grease there and massage it in there. So basically you see the lines there, that's where you're just going to apply the grease. And then you're also going to apply it in the middle section as well, in between the braids there. So I'm just going to repeat these stages. What? I'm just going to repeat this step pretty much all over my head, but I wanted to show you guys how much I apply to my scalp. Again, this is a protective style, so it is best to just apply it to the scalp. It is a different way I use this. Well, not really a different way of using this when I have my hair in an afro. But for the ones who are wondering if you can use this on braids or plaits or whatever you want to call it, even locks, I've learned that you can use my hair grease on locks as well. This is how I go about applying it to the hair, well, to the scalp. And again, from where I'm from, we call it oiling your scalp, okay? Wait, how many times have I said scalp so far? That's so annoying. But anyway, once I'm done with the front of my head, I am just going to make a small bun and of course leave out the back of my hair because I have to get that part. But I'm just going to repeat the stages all over again. Why do I keep saying stages, guys? It's steps. It's just one step. Just take the grease that's on your fingertip and apply it to the part. My goodness. All right. Just sit back and watch me apply the grease to my scalp, guys. Also, I want to mention that once I'm done applying my grease to the parts of my hair, I go back and massage my hair, and I also apply the mix to my edges. Okay guys, so that is how I oil my scalp. I do apologize for the glare back there. Like, hold on. Okay, maybe this is a little bit better. It's actually not, but I'm sorry. This is how you use my hair grease mix. My hair grease mix, OG mix, whatever you want to call it, liquid glow or whatever the case may be. My hair grease mix that I mix together. This is how I use it. There are many ways because I'm definitely getting a lot of emails, a lot of comments on how to use this grease mix. And it's just basically grease. It's just to oil your scalp, and that is it. Normally, if your hair is not in a protective style as such, thanks to my good friend Lyrica Solomon, check her out. Make sure you go purchase her book. Make sure you just check her out because she is The girl is doing things over there, okay? Her book is Empowering Womanhood, and I just love her dearly. That's a good friend of mine. If you do not have a psychologist or a therapist in your corner, in your group of friends, honey, you're missing out. But she's a good person to have on your team. So nonetheless, she did help me with my hair. She actually did my hair. Homegirl did my hair for my birthday. And while my hair is in protective style, the grease is the go-to to help in anything, to help with hair growth, moisturizing. Well, not really moisturizing because it's a sealant. It's a sealant. So just to stimulate your hair follicles, stimulate the roots, stimulate the scalp and hair follicles, this is the grease for you, okay? This is how I use it. I get so many comments, again, I get so many comments, so many emails about how to use my hair grease. Basically, this in a protective style that I'm showing you now, this is how I use it. If my hair was not in a protective style, and if it was just out in my fro that I normally wear my hair, then I will wet my hair, I will wet it with either aloe vera juice or just plain water, and then part my hair and do the same thing. Just apply it to the scalp. Just apply it to the scalp, add leave-in conditioner, and then just do whatever I need to do. So that's basically how I use it, guys. It's very simple, very easy. It is very greasy, it is very oily, but it gets the job done. Thank you, guys. I love you all. Bye.